there everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing super duper well. So today I am going to do another video from a brand that I have been doing a lot lately, and this one is from Mamaearth. So today's video is going to be a little different from what I usually do. So before, I used to just talk about a product, tell you what did I feel about it, but today I am going to open the product. That is, I'm gonna kind of unbox the product in front of you guys, and then I'm gonna try it on myself and show you how did I feel about it. So that way it will help you guys a lot, I think so, to judge the product or to feel that whether it's meant for you or not. So the product is actually the Ubtan face mask with saffron, turmeric and apricot oil in it. Now the major ingredient of the product is the turmeric, and all of us know that turmeric is a very good ingredient when it comes to lightening or brightening your complexion. So the purpose of the mask is to do the same. So it's going to lighten your complexion and brighten it. Also, it's going to moisturize your skin and work on your wrinkles if you have any, and save you from any signs of aging. So yeah, so this way the mask is really interesting and helpful for our skin. So without further ado, we should dive into today's video.
I'm gonna start off by unboxing the product so that I could show you guys how the product looks like. Now you guys already know the product contains saffron, turmeric, apricot oil and cucumber extract in it. And one thing that every one of us knows is that turmeric is so very useful for our skin. So this Ubtan mask is a way you can actually skip making it at home, because we guys are too lazy to do that. So you're getting all these products in one mask so that you could actually give nourishment to your face. You can moisturize it, make it healthy, glowing and brighten your face. So that's the idea of this product. Now you can apply this product by using a spatula, or if you have a face mask brush, then you can go for it. So I'm using the spatula and I'm applying it all over my face. I'm going to apply it onto my neck as well. Now if you guys would have noticed, I have a red spot just below my lips, so I just want to see whether this mask works on that red spot or not, because it's a kind of a skin irritation. Now you have to leave this mask on for around 10 to 15 minutes, and then you can wash it off with lukewarm water. Now yep, here is it has dried off, and I'm gonna wash my face and see the results. Now the results are really incredible. First of all, the red spot is already gone and my face looks brightened. So I kind of like this product. And also guys, you're gonna get 20% off at mamaearth.in by using simply20 coupon code. So yeah, go avail it, and yep, I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.